Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Channel, if you guys have a BMW, guys, any BMW such as 3 Series, 5 Series, X3, X5, Z3, Z4, 7 Series, guys, 6 Series, any BMW, guys, and you're wondering how to test the fuel injector, okay, we'll explain guys how to do that. With the special equipment, stay with us, we'll be able to activate, deactivate the injectors and know if they're good or not. Now, if injector fails completely guys, usually if it burns out or something, the coil inside the injector that opens and closes, it's going to send a code to the computer will turn the engine light on and you will know which injector usually is bad. You may get a code such as P0205, which means that you have a bad injector on cylinder number 5. But in some cases, an injector that is plugged up may not throw a code. Injector that is not clean and not spraying enough fuel. And there is a way to test those without even removing them, and we'll show you how to do that. In the meantime, we'll have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please like the video, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below. Let us know what you think or if you have any recommendations. So let's start on it now. So this is the computer that we'll be using. We'll be doing 2 tests, so make sure you stay until the end because the second one is very important as well. It comes with all the different adapters and all that stuff, so it works guys on any car, not just BMW. So this is the tablet computer and the programming device is right there, just connected to the OBD connector of the vehicle. OBD port. Now I'm going to go ahead and go inside, okay, and 2 tests that we'll be conducting. We'll start with first one, then we'll go to the second one towards the end because both of them are very important. Now, I'll go ahead and start the car, guys. You can start it. And let me show you now that computer here, guys. It works on so many cars, not just BMW. Let me just show you quick. So if you're into the business, fixing cars, car diagnostics, anything like that, this thing can save you so much time, and more time means you can fix more vehicles, make more money, right? Make your life way easier. Instead of just removing everything, testing it by hand and all that stuff. So you can even do diagnostics on Ferraris, Lamborghinis. That's amazing guys. So we'll click BMW now. Okay, BMW, and we're going to click automatic selection. Here we're going to enter our VIN number and it's going to decode it and tell us which vehicle we have and all that stuff. We click yes, and now okay, it's going to take just a little bit of time to actually to connect to the car computer and all that stuff to communicate. Some other BMWs used to have the 20-pin connection, our does not, so we just use the 16-pin. Next we'll clean diagnostics, control unit, fuel injectors is under drive, engine computer, and now let me show you what we'll be doing here. You gotta make sure you stay until the end for the second test because second test is very interesting as well. We'll click active test, component activation. Now, as you can see here guys, you can activate or you can deactivate the injectors for each of the cylinders on this BMW. We have 6 cylinders, so we have 6 injectors. It says only when engine running. So, with the engine running now, okay, I'm going to go ahead and deactivate the injectors and I'll show you how it sounds from under the hood and at the exhaust because you'll definitely be able to hear difference when you deactivate the injector. So you need to deactivate each one of them one at a time to make sure that there is exactly the same change of RPMs and sound, and that way you will know that if you have a bad injector, the change will be minimal. If you have a good injector, you'll definitely feel the change. So listen now, I'll deactivate cylinder number 1 injector. Okay, we'll click activate. So you can definitely feel it here, but I'll go ahead and stop the deactivation. I'll go on the exhaust and show you what it sounds when we deactivate it at the exhaust now. Okay, I want you to listen guys. Okay, when I deactivate it, what's going to happen. So, okay, listen now. And now it's running smooth. Now I will deactivate cylinder number 5. Okay, cylinder number 5, test condition, activate. Listen now. So definitely guys, you can tell, okay, test each one of them like that, make sure that you have exactly the same difference by turning each one of them off. If one of them doesn't make much of a difference, probably it's a dirty fuel injector, because it doesn't spray enough fuel. That's why it will actually not be so noticeable. Now next step, we go inside. I turn the engine off. We're going to turn the ignition on only, and we'll exit the vehicle now. And we can manually test if the injector coils are working. How we do that? We click, okay, let me click escape here, and we're going to go ahead. Okay, you can see all the cylinders. We can clock fuel injector, cylinder number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Listen now when I do the test, and it's going to tell us if the injector opens and closes. You'll be able to hear that clicking, ticking noise. Definitely guys, working injector. Let's say cylinder number 5. That's a working injector as well guys. So you can check all of them like that. So hopefully guys, the video will be helpful to some of you trying to do that test. Please guys, don't forget to hit that. Hopefully guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.